Oh, it's incredibly easy. If you think about it, if you've got a curved stair lift, you've got to have a lot of measurements. You usually get that sent away to be measured up, and that could take weeks and weeks and weeks. With a through floor lift, you can remove a cupboard in some instances, relocate the TV, and it will fit. It doesn't attach to the wall, so it can be freestanding, be sent straight upstairs, and it can be built within maybe a day or two. I think they're quite scared at first because you say, we're going to cut a hole in your ceiling to be able to go up to your bedroom. They're, oh my word, you know, I've got a bed and a wardrobe in. So you walk upstairs, you have a look, and you think, well, actually, are you aware the footprint is so small? I visited a lady a couple of years back in Wales, just outside Cardiff, and she basically moved a cupboard to enable the Stiltz lift to go in. Enabled her then, when she was hoping to stay in her own property, to be able to use the lift, go upstairs into a spare room, and basically we could put the cupboard upstairs in the spare room. She'd still have access to her clothes and everything she required. We didn't really change the house. As an occupational therapist, we look at the environment, we look at people's occupation, so we look at their self-care, their productivity and leisure. So somebody might have an entire generational family network in the vicinity. The GP, for example, if you consider the Welsh Valleys not far from Cardiff, where we're based, some people may have their aunties, uncles, cousins, nans all in the vicinity who would help them out. So if they're disabled or have a problem, they will come and cook lunch, they will help them. If you can't put a lift in or a modification in that property, and you have to maybe relocate them somewhere, they lose their GP, they lose their family, maybe they go swimming once a week and have some support to do that. Putting a through floor lift in enables them to return home. So the lift is transformational, can make a massive difference.